All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Juan Carlos Sandoval. He is the CFO for Andean Precious Metals. And Juan, it's good to see you. How are you?
Good, Steve. Good to see you. Thanks for taking the time to talk to me.
Yeah, excited to learn a bit more about the company itself. Tell me a bit of backstory on the company.
Wow, it's an amazing story, Steve. So, our founder started the company 8 years ago. He bought what is still the largest oxides commercial plant in Bolivia. We produce around 5 million ounces of silver a year. Long story short, it's been a great ride. Over the next few years, we were able to build a strong cash balance. As of last year, we had more than $90 million in cash, no debts, no streams, royalties, so very clean balance sheet. And that allowed us to look for, start diversifying ourselves. After a long search process, we ended up buying a gold producing mine in the United States called Golden Queen. It's a producing gold mine. We produce around 60,000 ounces of gold a year. So, that's what we have right now. It's been a
Yeah.
great ride. It's been a couple of years, two good assets producing, and, with strong commodity prices, it's looking really good.
Yeah. So is there an opportunity there to increase the size of Golden Queen? Can you get more in there? Are you happy where you're at right now with that one?
Oh, absolutely. One of the reasons why we bought this company is obviously we knew we could there were certain things that we could enhance the overall operation, but at the same time there were certain veins that have been identified that we can do some exploration and yeah, at least expand a little bit, extend our life of mine. So yeah, it has good exploration potential within our boundaries, right?
Yeah. Let's talk about your other project. And you also have a processing facility in Bolivia as well. Is that right?
That's correct. So in Bolivia, I would say we're no longer a traditional mining company where you have your own deposit and you feed your plant. Like you said, we're a processing facility, and it's all about the location, Steve. We are in a region that, they've been mining for 500 years or more. I mean, nobody doubts about the potential, the richness of that region, the Cerro Rico area and the Potosí area south of the country. And yeah, we have a great business because we've been buying more from third-party producers, artisanal miners, cooperatives. So we have different sources for the ore we buy, and that's what goes into our plant. So again, we're more of a processing facility than a standard typical mining company, right?
Juan, you're obviously at the OTC studios in New York City, and with an asset that you mentioned in the US and Golden Queen, the OTC I would think becomes an important vehicle for you, especially in attracting investors in the US.
Absolutely, absolutely. That's another one. That's another reason why we wanted to get into the United States. First of all, Bolivia. It's been a great business for us. Like I've always said, if you invest in some of those countries, they need to allow you to work and also get your money out. We pay our taxes, we contribute to our communities, and Bolivia has been great. But we knew we needed to diversify ourselves in the benefit of our investors, right? And reduce or de-risk a little bit the company's profile. And obviously, one of the best places to be is in the United States. Our mine is in California. It's a fully permitted mine, but it has potential. And like we've always said, we bought this mine in the U.S. because there's potential for growth, and there's a lot of there's investors it's a bigger market in the U.S. And yeah, our focus right now actually is more in we're shifting the company towards being more of a North American focused company, right?
Yeah. And so just some thoughts on what's ahead. So obviously producing at Golden Queen, maybe some exploration as well. It sounds like it's going to be a busy fall leading into 2025.
Oh yeah, we're excited. We bought this company 8, 9 months ago.
Mm.
As we have mentioned, we expect to produce 60,000 ounces of gold this year. But we have, exciting plans of growth, extending our life of mine, investing more. As we have announced in our previous quarterly reports, we have allocated close to $20 million in CapEx for Golden Queen. We are replacing the whole truck fleet. We are investing more on exploration. So, I mean, it's exciting times for the company.
Absolutely. Juan, thank you so much. Great to catch up with you, and really appreciate your time today. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Steve. Thanks for taking the time to talk to me.
All right, there's Juan Carlos Sandoval. He is the Chief Financial Officer for Andean Precious Metals.